Good Monday market review, everyone. This is Caleb down here at the Gold Cove. Yes, unfortunately, we all saw gold and silver take a little bit of a breather, but hey, what goes up must go down, right? Is that what they say? I don't know. I'm not smart enough to guesstimate what's the precious metals market's going to do in the next week anymore. But things are going crazy. Things are going absurd. We're having fun. It's just nuts, all right? Gold right now is $4,035. Silver's around $47.50. Hey, it might be a great opportunity to go out and buy. Still, overall, I think we are about 30 to 20% in gains from the last 2 or 3 months on precious metals. So that is still a great investment overall. So hey, don't be too frightened if it takes a little bit of a breather, right? But our government is still closed down, unfortunately, but we did have some surveys last week, right? We had our core CPI, we had our CPI month over month and year over year. Those three were both down, right? Which is not a great thing for the economy. Now our flash manufacturing PMI and our flash services PMI were both up, which is a good thing for the economy. Now leading into this upcoming week, we have an expected Fed rate cut about 0.25%. Of a cut. So hey, let's see how that plays out. We also have our FOMC statement and press conference, so stay tuned for those. Now this week we're going to be closed a little earlier on Friday because it's Halloween. We don't want people coming in with masks, of course, right? So we're going to be closed at 4 p.m. this Friday, so please put that in the back of your mind, in front of the mind. If you plan on coming in Friday, we're going to be closed 4 p.m. So if you come in after that, we may probably not be here, right? But let's dive right into your steal of the week, and it is going to be some old silver dollars at $1 under spot. So that's going to be around $35.50 as of right now because they melt for $36.50 and change. They're 3/4 of an ounce. We're gonna have some coal, some VGs, Peace, and Morgan dollars, so come on in and capitalize on that. You could probably try to nitpick us if it goes down even further, which I don't think it is. I think we kind of find our levels right here around $47.50 and $4,030. All right, I do believe it's going to go back up. I don't know what is, like I said, I don't know what's going to happen next week or tomorrow. I don't have a crystal ball in front of me anymore. I don't know what's going to be going on anymore because this game does have a lot of manipulation. But what I do know is that it is a hedge over inflation and your dollar's a loser. These guys are winners, precious metals. Maybe you should get some. Now, all that being said, don't forget to check out Cameron's Whatnot. We did one live here in the store, in this room actually, in this corner. It was fun. Things were going way too cheap. Y'all were having a blast. Pops was staring at the screen saying, "Oh no, stop, stop, stop." It is what it is, all right? Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Stay safe for Halloween. And don't forget, we're gonna be closed at 4 on Friday for Halloween. Thank you all, everyone, for watching. Don't forget to buy some precious metals.